Hi everyone, I'm Giselle from ACRC Surrogacy. Today I want to talk about something that comes up a lot right after intended parents get matched with a surrogate. Can we transfer embryos right away? It's an exciting moment and we completely understand the urgency. You've waited so long for this. But I'm here to gently explain why it's important not to rush into the embryo transfer. So matching is a huge milestone. It's emotional and hopeful. But the truth is, it's just the beginning of a careful, medically structured journey. There are a lot that happens behind the scenes after a match. Medical record sharing, surrogate screenings, psychological evaluations, legal contract reviews, clinic coordination, insurance and escrow setup. All of this usually takes 8 to 12 weeks, even in smooth cases. It may feel like things are moving slowly, but really they're moving safely. Your clinic needs to approve your surrogate medically, your lawyers need time to draft and finalize legal protections, and your surrogate needs to feel 100% ready, emotionally and physically. When you rush, there's more risk of missed medical red flags, legal gaps, scheduling issues, stress, or misalignment. And all of that can actually cause more delays later. We know how deeply you care about building your family. Taking a few extra weeks now can make a big difference in the health, safety, and peace of mind for everyone, including your future child. This is your family's story. Let's write it carefully. During this time, our ACRC team is busy coordinating every step. We stay in touch with your clinic, we keep both you and your surrogate informed, we help with contracts, calendars, and emotional support, and we make sure no detail gets missed. You're never alone in the waiting. So if you're just matched and wondering when transfer will happen, take a deep breath, it's coming. And it's going to be worth the wait. If you have any questions or want a private consultation, reach out anytime. We're here for you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.